wena wendlovu bayede umsimudo ovele ngesiluba phakathi kwamangisi namakadasi inkonjane kaNdaba edukele ezulwini ezinye sayidukele emafini unowela kwamakhosi unowela muvosha kanodingane umdayisabela kweliphesheya izalikazi yosala emanxiweni amaxhega yosala emzileni isikhukulane sikaNdaba esikhukhulo mame neinkomo sabetshati hlanga lamakhosi wena wendlovu bayede
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Nabesilo. What a wonderful day today. What an honor, an event done by my predecessors. Umntwana wakwaPhindangene, as old as he was, wayekhona la stretching. Before I deliver my speech, it's not even a speech, it's just a little bit of a token and a reminiscence. Inkumbuzo. Ngoba imizimba yethu uyakuvuka ekuseni uthi akubuhlungu lapha kunjani lapha, especially after age 40. You start to feel those pulls and snails and ekuseni umuvu ngale ka 40. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu Nabesilo umcimbi omkhulu kangaka uthamele isifunda sonke okumele ngiyacela sibusisekile namhlanje ukuba sibe khona la pha namhlanje. That is why I'm going to ask everybody to give a round of applause because you are here. You are here, nikhona. There's some kunabantu kade befisa ukuthi bebe lapha kodwa abaphumelelanga bayafisa ngesimo sempilo. Let me go into this. Yoga is a language. It's a body language that relieves imizwa yomuntu noma ngabe iphakeme noma ngabe iphansi kodwa umwenza yoga, you are calming your body down. Now ngiza lapha ekutheni the nations are angry. Izizwe zicasukile ngani ngoba amasiko azo lezo zizwe, those nations that are angry, they are angry because their well-being and belief is not respected by governing authorities of the land. Contemporary. That is why we are all here. Ngizonikhumbuza ke mina. Ngiyambonga uMdlumbane akwenza ukuzwana nomfowethu umnumzane uIshwar wamenza nomntwana waba ilunga lomndeni. Namhlanje ingakho namhlanje siqoqene la. Mhlawumbe abanye badidekile. I always tell people, KwaZulu Natal, we have the biggest population of Indians outside of India. We are lucky. It's a blessing ngikhuluma nendoda yomZulu ke manje. What does that mean to kusho ukuthini kuwe wena ndoda yomZulu? Uzokhuluma amagama aziswana? Ngoba ale indawo eNdiya sihlezi nalo la. Lo mZulu. Nabisilo ngicela ukuba ngiqale inkulumo yami, but I want to remind every citizen of KZN, of which majority of you are Zulus, we are lucky and blessed to have the biggest population of Indians outside of India. Come on, guys. No one else in the whole of Africa can claim that but us. I'm proud of that. I walk proudly that I live with the Tamils and the Hindus in KwaZulu Natal in peace. Participants of this kingdom within our kingdom. Mabheka ngibingelele kakhulu ubukhosi obungiphelezelayo Dlukulu wasondini, Dlukulu kaMayisela, Dlukulu Mdolomba, Dlukulu wasemachubeni, Dlukulu wasemashubeni, awuyisona sigodlo esibiza indlula mithi ngalesi sikhathi salombuso kaZulu. Ngithokoza kakhulu Mama Nomusa Dube. You've always been a confidant and inspiration in my life. Former Premier of this province, we worked very well together, and you left a good stone for Umpemba. That is why it is simple and easy for me to work with him. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu nduna National Cooperative Hlabisa. You are not just a minister to me, you are family. Since I became a king, you have always been on my side. I thank you very much. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu. Last but not least and foremost, my wonderful pretty mother was a nyukeni. Thank you so much for your attendance. You are not only here for yourself, you are here for your husband and for the whole family. And we appreciate your presence. Thank you for gracing us with your presence. Today I stand before you with gratitude and hope as we gather to celebrate the 12th International. Can you believe it? It's the 12th. It's my first one. Some of you have been to all of them. Well done. The 12th International Day of Yoga, banner of Isvaramayananda World Peace Day. We salute the visionary leadership of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who in 2014 proposed to the United Nations in the UN that the world dedicated a world of yoga. It has to happen. It is within our scriptures because yoga is an international language. Now this program, I continue, was supported by the record of 171 nations And this became the recognition that health, peace, and well-being among humanity shares priorities. Today, the world breathes together as one. And I've always emphasized that. Today, the world breathes together as one. Other countries claim. South Africa, can I tell you something? This occasion today reminds me of the friendship my late father, His Majesty King Goodwill Zwelithini Zulu, shared with the Republic of India. Those relationships were built on mutual respect, cultural exchange, and genuine friendship. And today, we recommit ourselves to strengthening those bonds. Today, I wish to formally honor Prince Ishwar Mabheka Zulu. Prince Ishwar occupies a very unique place in the history of the Zulu nation as the first of Indian descent to be adopted by the Zulu royal family to be one of us. I'm trying to show the world that umndeni wakwaZulu, the Zulu royal family, accepts everyone. You know, outside of Ishwar being an anthropologist, because he is, and I want to speak to the University of UKZN to make Ishwar a professor of anthropology for Zulu culture. It has to happen. We'll do that, Ishwar. I will speak to the Dean of UKZN, the Dean, and also I will speak with Mr. Ngubane, who is also my advisor on the throne, who is very cultural like you when it comes to Zulu culture and Zulu custom and history. Let me continue. Through the years of service and commitment, Prince Ishwar has continued to strengthen the friendship and understanding between the communities and remains a symbol of unity and social cohesion. Today we gather at a time when a peace cannot be taken for granted. You know, Nomusa Dube was here just now talking about we live in difficult times now where we are desperate for peace. Ngalamazwi, thank you so much, the city of Durban, for hosting this event. Kunento ke engiyenzile bantu bakwaZulu. uIshwa ngoba elungise umcimbi omkhulu kangaka ebuye futhi ebe umfowethu ayowegazi kamoya, because we've got one common understanding and frustan washibona ngalokho ngibese ngimenza inxusa lawo onke amandiya alapha eSouth Africa nase Kenya, eMombasa, nase what's that other city with the biggest? But Kenya, I'm sharing Kenya with the Indians, for the Indian community, and Ishwar is the ambassador for all of Lom Sebens. Uyesinda ngangisaba ukumnika kodwa uvumile. This job will keep you. That means you're going to go back to India for the Indians here, Ishwar. Thank you very much. So ngimnikeze certificate salokho okuluphawu lokuthi ubekiwe. Ngicela nimshayele izandla nabesizwe. Nasi certificate sakhe of appointment.
All right, this is what the certificate says. Office of His Majesty the King, Royal Appointment by His Majesty King MisuZulu KaZwelithini, King of the Zulu Nation and Monarch of the Province of KwaZulu Natal. This one is to Prince Ishwar Ramlutchman Mabeka Zulu. It is hereby decreed that you are appointed as Royal Ambassador of Social Cohesion and Economic Development. In this role, you shall serve to advance unity, reconciliation, and cooperation among the people of KwaZulu-Natal and South Africa, and to promote sustainable economic development that uplifts communities, particularly the underprivileged, given under my hand and authority on this 21st day of June 2026. King of the Zulu Nation.
Wena wendlovu bayede siyabonga indlodle nophapha ekhanda kamenzi laba kolalela lo muntu omemezayo omemese ngathi uyakhala uyalila othi igula lakajama lichithekile lichithwe ngolendala yakuthi amalandela ube induphelezi okhuthazela umuntu akandaba sebemthuka bemcokofula bethi uzwelithini kayokubusa bethi uzwelithini ayoba inkosi kanti bangigcoba ngamafutha empepho yakithi kwamalandela usodidasa inkonyane encane yandaba edithi imbala umphikelelwe insizwa hobe bephikelela amadoda kaZulu esephelelwe ngamandla umaphokophela obengayinsizwa eyisinikanikana engapende bazingwe nabezingonyama ogijime ngandlela nte ngalififi eyakwadade wamlonhlanhla nani mandebele seniyoguga ngidelile lenike nabona izinyane helesilo sikandaba ohlambe izandla ngamakhanda amadoda ethi wona umhlabanela kwayigwagcwala izifunda zomfula esinye somkhuze esinye sothukela nani magundana ahlala eyikhotheni lapha kwaNongoma gijimani ngendlela zomkana niyobikela abangakezwa nithi likhulu liyeza eboliyanyelela nilifanise nedlovu emnyama sobhalule inkonyane encane yandaba ekhwele phezu kwendlu yasegazini bathoyiselo isemkhulu awungasithanda besithi usuyahlola kanti bona abahlolayo intuli ebande ngodwa ngabheka uZulu imvukuzane evukuza ubusuku eyabona umame ngasemandebeleni ubheja nodlaba kayise phuma esiqunade bekuvalele ungalende kagabele inganganya usinquncwana ngisho bethi bakwelula kuphelele ingqulwini eyakhinde eyashawa foste epitoli kwakwazi amazamo emsibhoti indlovene bathi umbhudu bovu ibheke kwaNongoma hlangana amakhosi wena wendlovu